Yeah, hello. Today I want to show you here 5 simple ways to check if your milk has gone bad. So let's get started with the first test, and you may be already familiar with that. You just open up the container that your milk is and you take a big whiff of it in your nose, and you may be able to check it with that. But if you really have a hard time smelling, then you can also use test number 2 by just having a little bit of the milk on the spoon and then trying it out. And if it tastes sour, then it has gone bad. Now the third test requires a little bit of baking soda. So here I am creating here 2 little piles of the baking soda. And on the left side, I am going to add a couple of drops of fresh milk that has not gone bad. And on the right side, I am going to add some bad milk, and we can immediately see here the difference. You can see on the right side that there is quite a few bubbles coming up. So if the milk has gone bad, the baking soda will make it bubble. In test number 4, we are checking the color of the milk for yellowing or dinginess. So on the left side again we have some fresh milk, and on the right side we have the bad milk. And I'm not sure if you can see this in this video, but the bad milk has this yellowish or dingy discoloration, while the fresh milk is really pure, clean and white. Now here we come to our last test. This is test number 5, and that includes here this microwave. Now I'm going to heat up the milk now for about 30 to 60 seconds until the milk is really nice and hot. And now that we have heated up the milk, let's have a close look at it. And you can see here the milk on the left side pretty much looks unchanged. It is really clear and nice and liquidy, just like it should be. And now let's have a look here at the right side. You see here how lumpy this milk is. So there are a lot of solids here right now in this milk, so this indicates this milk is the one that is bad. Yeah, okay, so these are the 5 ways of how to test your milk if it's bad. And so I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos and to like and subscribe.